have to get the controller. We still got wrong.
So that it's running, that means
Okay, so the first thing I asked you to do was to get on Google Classroom. You're going to go down to the PowerPoint. On the PowerPoint, you're going to go to Nearpod, and you're going to put that number in. Okay? Everybody there.
I'm in your PowerPoint, but I'm not.
Good. Yeah, you on the link.
Okay, I have to log in.
Yep. You're there. Oh. Let me just see if we can have it together. So did everybody go to the Nearpod sign in and then put the code in? Because that's what you're supposed to do.
We didn't do this yesterday. It took us to something.
We're going to try this.
Well, with this one, you have to type in the code because of the link.
Yeah, but I'm typing in the code.
You have to type the code in to be able to be registered, I do believe.
what's the
Because right now I just have code. 92ICJ. Everybody has to go. Don't go to the one on the bottom, on the top, go to the one on the bottom. Here we go. I hope I got legs.
What's the code?
It's 92ICJ.
And all of it's capital.
All right, so I've got Hope, Izzy, and Lex. So if you go to the classroom, go to my class.
She does everything.
Go down to the PowerPoint at the very bottom. Go to the very left. There you go. I'm going to just do it now. Okay. So as far as what I understand is when I advance this, everybody will see the same thing, right?
And then when you start launching, it will basically share your screen.
Okay. Are we all at the very first one? So this is pneumatic power. So what I need you to do is I need you to get your ISM book out. You're going to put a title on your table of contents, pneumatic power, today's date. And what we're going to do is as we go through the PowerPoint, there's only one thing on here that's a video that you would have to do by yourself. So make sure you have earbuds. Make sure they're plugged into the computer when it's time. And if you don't, let me know. You should have mine that I gave you. And if you don't, then I will give you a pair to put for yours. Is it? Just plug them in and leave them. Anybody else need the ones that I gave you? Okay, Lex, plug it in and we'll leave it for me, please. Anybody else? Okay, so when we're talking about this type of power, where we're focusing at today will be the gas laws, okay? We're going to talk about Charles Boyle's, and we're also going to talk about Gay-Lussac. I even have the combination gas law. What we're going to do is when we get to that point, we're going to do what the gas laws look like in just a regular class, and then we're going to compare it to the gas laws for engineering, okay? Ma'am?
What are we putting in?
Mnemonic power. Right there underneath your work phone. We're starting a new one.
The number one for the phone. Do I need to write anything if I leave my shoes?
If you need to add something, you can add
I'm just
something.
like,
Yes, ma'am. I saw what you did and you posted it, but if there's anything else you need to add, please add. How about that? Okay. So we're gonna also talk about compressor types, future pneumatic possibilities. We're going to look at one of the past machines that we're using air to be able to do something with. And then we're going to look for the future possibilities. So, pneumatic is the use of gas flow under pressure to transmit power from one location to another. Gas is a phenomenal system, behaves like a spring since it is compressed. So a way a spring works is if you compress it and then you release it, right? Gas is the same way. Gas, as you remember, solid, liquid, and gas. Solid takes up the space, right? Gas fills a container. So for gas to be able to be compressed, it would have to be put into something that has to conform that shape. Pneumatic system uses compressible gas. A quick and a jumper motion are not precise, requires a lubricant, are generally cleaners, often operate with a pressure of 100 psi, and generally produces less power. The first one that we're going to look at is a bellow. A bellow is a tool that is used from a blacksmith, and he's working with iron and other metal. Has anybody seen a bellow before?
I have, yeah, I don't remember where I saw it. I think it was in one of the shops, like you go to, and you can watch them make stuff.
Oh, yeah, the blacksmith can show it. Okay.
I think I was in Tennessee.
The next one is a video. In this video, there are nested questions. There's only 3 or 4 of them. So please watch the video. If you feel like you need to take notes, please do. There's a couple important facts. Now, if you push yours, does yours work independently? Hey, baby. How are you doing, man?
Yeah.
We are online, so I'm going to get you where we're at.
I used to use my AirPods and I was waiting for it to the dinner.
So what you should do is just get on. There's a question of the day first. Take your time and answer the question first.